Hi, my name is Stephen McGee and I'm the author of Electrical Forensics. And we're going to talk about a subject of electrical forensics, and that is electrified tiled floors. Now, most people don't realize that the tiled floors may be electrified, and it's commonly called stray voltage in the industry, and it typically comes from the electrical ground rods that are installed in the vicinity of the floor. And it can make you quite sick, and if you research stray voltage you'll find many people who have been made sick by it and trace their sickness to the effect. Now, how does this relate to biology? Well, you can see we've got 3 dead plants here. These are all Dieffenbachias. And Dieffenbachia typically has leaves the size of your hand when it's fully grown. And as you can see, these have not survived. And the reason why they didn't survive is that they're actually grown electrically in contact with this floor. And this is my kitchen floor nearest to the ground rods. The ground rods are about 33 feet away from this location. So this one was put here in December 2014. This one was placed here in April 2013. And this one is also April 2013. As you can see, they've all died prior to this year. It's 2015 now, and we're in the month of May. And prior to this year, they were only deforming, so they weren't actually dying. So this death effect is new this year. And what's actually happened in my community is that a lot of solar photovoltaic systems were installed during the last several months. So that significantly alters the electrical grounding system. So if we have a little look at this plant is actually insulated from the floor and it's placed here in August 2014, and it's getting the field effect. So these actually get both the field rising up out of the floor plus the voltage, as these have little foil strips in their base that connects them into the floor through this piece of foil that is wrapped around the base. So obviously we need to repeat this experiment. So we have a new plant over here which is on a plastic tray, so it's electrically insulated from the floor, and it's May 2015. So to repeat this experiment, we have this plant. It's on the foil base and it's in contact with the floor because it has foil strips coming out of its base, and the plant pot base has a wrap of foil around it. And we also have another plant here, so this is going to be our control, and this one is 34 inches above the floor, so it's out of the fields, and nor is it in contact with the electricity that's running around on this floor. And as you can see, we're actually growing it next to a window, and we have a lot of plants, a lot of Dieffenbachia plants that are growing in this location, and above the floor they don't seem to have any problems. All the problems are occurring down here at floor level. And as soon as I have any more information on this experiment, I will do another update. It typically takes about 6 months to get any data out of these experiments as we wait for the plants to deform. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.